lateral, built for destruction, high quality performance.
Welcome back. Last weekend we finished off the IRS on the KE. It dragged out a bit, took a few episodes, but it came up pretty good, I reckon. This weekend we're going after the front end to try and get it rolling and steering again. Got a lot of things I'm sort of playing with in regards to the K-frame, like where the engine's going to sit, what's going to allow us to have some lock. It needs to be modified for power steering because the KE didn't have any. So those are all things I'm sort of weighing up and trying to factor in before we decide. Before I do that, I'm just smashing out a quick bunch of stickers. Just finished knocking this up for the first milestone on the Corolla. We've got about 100 legends a week actually tuning in to watch us hack up a Corolla, which is pretty crack up. So if you want some stickers, shoot me an email with an address and I'll send you some. It's disgusting how close that is. I thought I was going to have to machine up like a full bracket and everything.
I just don't know if it's too low.
And the bolt holes are like exactly the same. Minus a couple of mil.
You're right though, it's low with the rest.
Disappointed. It's just a bit low, that's all. The subframe hangs a bit low. Drop! Fuck! Meth car, glove box adventures.
Hey, what's the door?
Oh, this is bad.
Should have filmed the
Oh, it smells like a swamp in here. I'm actually dry reaching. Oh, in this fucking car.
And this is the car. Not
Woof!
it's in there.
Alright, we're doing it, boys. Butter menthols. A letter for Freddie. There wasn't too much in the meth-mobile. Oh, new Ryko filter, mate. Z154. Keep that for me, BA. 154. It's got a conspiracy book.
Conspiracy 365. You never fucking know, mate, when you're gonna need this.
Oh, look at the steering wheel cover. It's got flames. No fear. We got 2 recovered meth vehicles today.
Fucking game, you get in it?
I'll sit in it.
Sure.
I'm going to sit in this meth car for your entertainment.
Don't scratch me leather. Oh, while you're in there, you can pop the boot.
Oh, this smells like Satan's arsehole. What's in the glove box? Nothing. Nothing. There's fuck all, there's just a key. Oh, cool, doesn't work. Never know when you need a beat stick.
Look in the glove box?
Yeah. Yeah, there was fuck all. As you can see, you've got a bit going on in here. End up. These are the 2 cross members I've got to play with. That's a KE70 and that's the one out of the S13 wreck. It's actually bent, but the rack's still good in the mount, so we're going to pinch them. We're burning because the S13 rack bolted pretty much straight into the KE70, but it hangs too low. You can see that the mouths are about 20mm lower on the KE, so the subframe's about 20mm higher, which is fuck all. But when we put it on the car, the fitment was so bad, the S13 K-frame was pretty much dragging on the ground. So that's out of the... 2 things we need: power steering and the rack move forward for extra lock clearance. So I think the best way going forward is just going to be to cut this out of the S13 like I was doing a rack relocation and just graft it onto this Corolla one. There's plenty of meat to work with. Normally when I want to move a rack forward, I'll trace out a line. First I'll mark out, say I want to move forward 30mm. I'll mark out 30mm like that. And then I'll trace a line like so and pretty much just cut out everything there so I can join it up there. Obviously all that will have to go, join it up to there, stitch it together, and that pretty much brings the rack forward 30mm or however much you want to bring it forward. You can push the limit right to like 40-45mm sometimes if you've got enough meat left there. But on the Corolla, as you can see, there's like a good 70mm or 3 inches of meat to play with. So I think I'm just going to cut it off right across there and have plenty to play with. That's enough talking shit, I'll do some work now. Yeah, fucking nice one. That's what I get for running out of acetone and using brake cleaner. Yeah, awesome fucking flaming K-frame for this thing. So I'm determined not to cut out any of the fuck-ups on this car. What the fuck is going on? I'm really not having a good day. Fucking everything's catching on fire. This K-frame's got some nasty shit on it and pretty much everything I touch catches on fire. Fucking hell. That like black grease shit just keeps burning because I didn't clean it properly. Now we got this mess. Pretty happy with how the steering come up, so we're going to go test fit it on the car and mess around with the steering column, see if we can get that all working. There we go. Is that the sound? Or success? Fuck, that's too close. Yeah, and fix it. 190. So if we went from the bottom of the U to there. Alright. Tech screws.
About as straight as Matt Dowdle.
No, you can wait.
Even a screwdriver. No, the other one. The other one.
You can nut and bolt it.
No. Should probably future. There we go. There. Now we're talking. Put all four. This is amazing.
His face is gonna punch him in the face.
Workbench. And here we go.
In the fuel cap, fuel filler.
In the fuel filler.
It's nasty, it's a bit softer.
So I'm gonna open it. Boom. Oh, up like Leo Wanker again.
She was like watching. I know.
Like 'em?
Bullies.